Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share guys. So for today's video guys is pag-uusapan po natin since yung ating channel and name po nating channel is Gabay at Sagot. So bali, gabay po muna yung ating igagabay sa inyo po lahat. So guys, maraming salamat po sa nag-subscribe, nag-like at saka nag-comment sa aking mga video. So guys, dito po tayo is mag-recover po tayo ng ating Palawan Pay. And since guys, merong update yung Palawan Pay is hindi na po tayo mag-recover ng ating password but we're going to use the quick pin na po guys. So mas high-tech na po or mas pinaigting yung feature ng ating Palawan Pay po. Kasi pag quick pin yung ating gagamitin, mas minadali na po yung pag-login po. So same process din po yung ating forget password or recover account, but then yung processing po is quick pin na po. So guys, stay tuned sa ating video or dito sa ating manonood po tayo hanggang sa huli po guys. And guys, maraming salamat po sa mga nagko-comment sa aking video dyan. And then, so keep on watching lang po guys para magiging updated. So huwag po kalimutan click on the subscribe button and then click the notification bell. So start na po tayo guys. So guys, so mag-recover po tayo guys ng ating quick pin. So dito guys, since hindi natin alam yung itong quick pin, so click po natin. And then nakikita nyo po guys, as you can see, meron na yung number. And then sa baba po dyan, meron yung quick pin. So i-log in po natin. Dito natin i-click yung ating forgot quick pin. Okay? So, after that, guys, so, syempre, lalagin. Same process din sa ating recover password. But then, gagamit na po tayo sa ating quick pin. And then, after that, guys, may marireceive ka, guys. Okay? Merong marireceive ka na OTP. So, sa ngayon, guys, meron kasing magka-problema ng recover ng quick pin. Minsan, yung OTP is matagal na papasok. Wait muna tayo ng 5 minutes. Kung hindi, mag-basic troubleshooting po muna tayo para ma-receive natin yung ating OTP. Check your SIM card kung naka-receive pa po ng text messages. Kung wala naman pong problema, then that's it. I-input po natin siya. So, after ma-input, na-input na natin yung inyo pong birth date, saan yung inyo pong kapanganakan, make sure na yung birthplace mo natin is same doon sa ating na-register. Then dito guys is mag-nominate na po tayo ng bagong quick pin. Then after that, so if nakapag-nominate na tayo, so dito nominate ko sana ulit yung aking quick pin but hindi siya pwede. Dapat kukuha tayo ng another quick pin na tayo lang po yung nakakaalam. Okay? So, dito guys, okay na po. Set up na po natin. So, after na set up po guys, set up ulit kasi iyon na nga, hindi pwede yung aking old na quick pin ang gagamitin. So, bali papasukan po natin ng bago talagang quick pin. And then after, same process yung gagawin natin. Wait po tayo sa ating receiving na OTP. So, yun guys, pag hindi nyo po ma-receive yung OTP nyo po, make sure na mag-basic troubleshooting. So, after that, nakalagin na po tayo. So, guys, may mga feature na po dito si Palawan Pay, yung loan. So, on my next video, guys, is magta-topic po tayo kung ano yung possible gawin po dito guys. So meron lang konting tips guys. Yung aking sinasabi po dito guys is based po doon sa aking experience. Okay? So yan po muna yung ating. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And comments po tayo guys.